I see 3D printed molds as a huge enhancement of the toolbox of prototype tooling. And what I show you in this video is how we work with the technology and what it does to the development workstream of companies who work with injection molded parts in their products. My name is Lasse Ståhl, and I'm the founder and current manager of the company 3DPMOLDS. I have a background as an engineer. I'm very, very fond of the idea of 3D printing molds because I think it has a huge impact on the way we develop not only the molds, but of course the products that come out of the molds. And I believe that what we found here at 3DPMOLDS is a pretty good recipe for developing prototype molds for low volume injection molding. Let's examine how that's done. The fastest injection molding machine I've got in my lab is the Holy Maker. And it's fast because I don't have to dial in anything. I just basically heat up the machine, pour in the material, and I can start injecting material into cavities as soon as they leave the 3D printing workstream. And I can actually visualize the material flowing into the mold. Once we have proven the design with the Holy Maker, we move to the next stage in the scale-up journey, and that's where we add a little bit more process control. I need a molding machine which goes slightly higher up in temperature. And it allows me to dial in the shot size, the shot speed, the clamp force, which I need to start upping my repeatability. Here's the part. We near the end of the production journey. The last thing we need to do is to remove the soluble shell from the part. I have a couple of alternatives. I can use sodium hydroxide, but today I'm just going to be using hot water. And this is one of the parts that I really like about our soluble materials. They are so easy to get rid of. An LCP part with 30% carbon. We can actually provide you with those prototype parts, 1, 2, 5, 10, without ever having to cut a single piece of metal.